Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let's discuss the very important software, that is CHEMDRAW software learning. The CHEMDRAW software learning, it is a molecules drawing software. Nowadays we all are dealing with different kinds of the chemical molecules, right? In order to represent the chemical molecules in a proper way, we need a software. Nowadays, different softwares are available, but the CHEMDRAW software is the only software which will provide us the correct representation of chemical molecules in a simple way. Let's see the brief discussion about the CHEMDRAW software. This particular software developed in 1985 by David A. Evans and Stewart Rubenstein. Initially, this particular software dealt by Chem Informatics company. In 2011, that company was sold to Perkin-Elmer. It means nowadays the CHEMDRAW software is available with the Perkin-Elmer company. CHEMDRAW, Chem3D and ChemFinder, these are all the part of Chem Office suite of programs which was provided by Perkin-Elmer company. Let's see the features of CHEMDRAW. The first one is conversion of the chemical structure to the name, conversion of the name to chemical structure. We can predict NMR spectrum, mass spectrum, and also we are having structure cleanup. These are some of the important features of CHEMDRAW. Let's see the overview. Regarding this particular CHEMDRAW software, what we are going to learn. Basic tools, what are the tools which are available for the utilization of CHEMDRAW software, how to draw or generate chemical structures, how to evaluate the stereochemistry at chiral center, the basics of scheme drawing, which includes resonance, equilibrium, a basic reaction mechanism, and in the final part we will be having a discussion on use of the different kinds of the templates. Before discussing the complete description about the CHEMDRAW software, let's see the overview. Whenever we open the CHEMDRAW, the screen will be appeared like this. Nowadays we all are working on Word, Excel, etc. This one is also similar to such kind of softwares. If you see this particular home interface, file, edit, view, object, structure, text, curves, color, online, window, help. So most of these tabs are similar to the tabs which are available in Word and Excel. That's why the aspirants who are having the knowledge about the general usage of the Word and Excel, they can easily understand the concept behind the CHEMDRAW. Right? The main motto is what? How to draw the chemical structures and how to draw the chemical equations and how to draw the chemical equations with mechanisms. Okay. Here is one particular slide. Here we are having two different structures. If you see these two structures, these are the complex structures or not? But see the representation, beautifully represented or not? So these two molecules were drawn by using the CHEMDRAW. Here see some of the important C glycosides. How beautifully we have drawn these chemical molecules. Here is a chemical equation. We all know that how can we have a chemical equation. The mechanism which is related to the retention of anomeric configuration and inversion of anomeric configuration. See how well we have drawn this particular mechanism by using the CHEMDRAW. Here is one of the anti-inflammatory agent. It is also kind of complex molecule. Here one of the example of acetylation of D-glucose. Protection followed by deprotection. Synthesis of cinnamoyl glycosides from the D-glucose. This is one more article where we are observing synthesis of beta C glycosylic ketones. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 molecules are there. Let us see the first one, the synthesis of beta D glucopyrenosyl propane 2-one from the D glucose by using the pentane 2,4 dione. See this mechanism. Here we are observing all kind of arrows along with the resonance. How beautifully it was drawn. These are all some more examples. This is the summary. So whatever the slides we have seen here, in all the slides we have used different kinds of the chemical molecules or not. All these chemical molecules were drawn by using the software called as CHEMDRAW. Nowadays we are publishing our work in the form of the book chapters, in the form of the books, in the form of research articles, in the form of review article. So whatever the work which we are publishing nowadays in any form, in all these cases we need a proper representation of chemical structures. That can be easily done by using the one and only one technique called as CHEMDRAW. Before starting the basic tools which are available in the CHEMDRAW, let's discuss how to install the CHEMDRAW software in the laptop or the computer. For that purpose, what should you do? Simply you need to open Google. So in Google just type CHEMDRAW, CHEMDRAW. Open the first link, CHEMDRAW Perkin-Elmer Informatics. So once you open the first link, you will come up with this kind of page. If you see here, it is highlighting free trial. It means the company is providing the free trial to the users. Click it. Once you click the trial one, here see, they are giving the permission up to 14 days. Just fill all these details one by one and submit request for free trial. They can provide you the link. From that link you can download your CHEMDRAW and install it in your laptop or the computer as like the remaining softwares. Thereby you can use the CHEMDRAW. Once this trial period completed, you can again download the CHEMDRAW software by providing the same details. So this is part 1 of CHEMDRAW.